Hello everyone, this is Sanasha Tharakashi and today I am here to review a book which and this is the first time that I am holding a book on my hand, so which obviously most of the booktubers supposed to do. So yeah, today I am going to review a book Lucid Dreams, which is written by G. Mehul Krishna Kumar. This book is published by self-publishing house APK Publisher in 2020. The story starts with college boy Aman who had crush on Reshmi, and later on it will also reveal that Reshmi also had crush on him from the school time. But some misunderstanding happen and their path get apart. The story just come up with lot of twists and turns, and after then just lot of twists and turns. I like only one section of this book when Aman get into depression because Reshmi slapped him. Uh, I know this doesn't sound like my word, doesn't sound good and legit, but when I read this story and I figure out that what happened with Reshmi in the school time and then first day in the college, so I really feel that it was my story because exactly same happened with me too. So obviously later on it was also revealed that what was the actual reason that Reshmi slapped him. But at least for some minutes I feel really good because for the first time I realized that we shouldn't burden up with something which is quite normal. So a simple message to all the youngsters that if any of you get into regret and embarrassment situation because of your romanticism zone, so it's okay, forgive yourself because it's all normal. Just because you have a circle of 10 friends and only you had that kind of experience, like sort of embarrassing situation, so please don't consider yourself alien or abnormal person. It's just your horizon is small, your horizon is short. The moment you will expand your horizon, you will realize that yes, there are a lot of people like you, like me, and even you will find your reflection in twice, thrice, or even 10 times greater level of yours. So it's totally fine if you get into any sort of regret and you know those kind of situation. Just forgive yourself, learn something, and just forget it. Okay, now it's time to have some critics. I have no intention to hurt the sentiment of any author because just remember that I also worked as an author, so I know how critic may affect author's sentiment. But believe me that these critics actually help me a lot to improve my writing, and it will help to improve your writing as well. And we're really looking for to improve our standard of writing so that we can gift a better version of our book, of our literature stuff to Indian community, like Indian literacy community. So I hope you can understand it. Don't take our reviews personally. So first of all, I would like to say that as I said, lot of twists and turns are there. Plot twist never should seem like it's just an afterthought of the author. Some constant clues and some constant and prominent clues should be there so that the moment author present that any kind of surprise, it should look natural. Like in the end, the additional information about Aman's family didn't excite me much because no depth was there. Like it was like it just sudden come the idea like okay, what happened. I just feel that it could be better to even cut that portion because it didn't support much in the story at all. Creative narration with phrases and descriptive narration with plots. So I really feel that both of these narration are demanded in this story. For example, there was one phrase which constantly coming up in this book. He was crying. Okay, so it was a situation when Reshmi's father was crying, and obviously most you will find a lot of the phrases in which it's not directly written he was crying. Tears slid from the face. Yeah, even that is also fine. I'm not saying that I'm a really good writer, author, but I think this will be helpful to give an example. Okay, I'm just trying. Okay, instead of he was crying, suppose it was Aman who observed that scenario when Reshmi father was crying. Then what Aman could say: first time when I met a father of daughter with stiffer aura and gentleman gesture, I never thought that one day I will become witness to see tears from his eyes. Every drop of his eyes, every drop from his eyes melt my stereotype mindset. So by this way, definitely it was narrated well that yes, a daughter's father is crying, but it's not too direct like he was crying. It just gave little depth from the character side also. So this was the way, like creative writing, like creative way that phrase can be rephrased. Then the second way is descriptive narration for plots. For that, I would like to say, like I just in the previous one I said like there was no need to add any additional information about family background. But if you are adding any additional information, then it means author need to add lot of description before, like so that later on at the time when author present this surprise, it look realistic. So these descriptions can be added in the first chapter, in the third chapter, fourth chapter, in the middle, anyway, and that description could be longer than those creative writing. But I would suggest that for the beginning, author can go for descriptive narration, because story can be write in in fluent speed. But if we talk about creative narration, then it take time, it take little practice and inspiration. Authors need to take inspiration constantly so that they can get the sense of what creative writing is all about. So yeah, for the beginning, author can go for descriptive narration, so that in the next edition of this book it will look much better narration in writing. And definitely if I got something really big difference in his book, then again I would like to read that. Now the third point, the one terrible mistake which I found in this book, and that's why I am presenting the book again, that there is one serious printing mistake is there. And this printing mistake doesn't sound like it's sort of mysterious is there, like it will like half portion is presented in the beginning and then the all portion will be presented in the end. It doesn't seem like that. It actually looked at there is one printing mistake is there. Aman's mother answered, he is in an important meeting with his sponsors regarding the upcoming concerts and will be here any minute now. And immediately the response which Reshmi gave on this answer, it doesn't match to it doesn't match at all. It seemed like if one more line is added to this answer which mother gave, then Reshmi's dialogue makes sense. So I think I really feel that there is printing mistake. Maybe I am wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. But this is something which I strongly feel. Very good, like simple and nice book cover is there. Font choice is very good, like cursive and then light font which suit to the story and which suit to the genre, like romance novella. So yeah, in that way it suits. However, sometimes like 2 font are enough, and 3 font, like maximum 3 font any design can afford. So because this third font is different from the above two, so it's okay, it still stand out. Then if we talk about imagery, okay, any reader who is reading this book, in between maybe they mislead this imagery, but in the end they will get the idea like what imagery this is actually presenting. Then the next thing is about colors. Because this is romance novella, it doesn't mean it should be in pink. I really feel that because pink is there, because this is romance genre, it doesn't necessarily that. So even it's okay if it's pink. I think pink color can be used in reverse way, like wherever white color is used, pink color can be there, and background could be white, because even in the designing, white color is like look like a god. So white is actually a main element in any design. So if white color could be in the background rather than pink, so this design can breathe. But still, it's because this is the first edition of book cover, so it's a really good attempt. So yeah, I would like to say that yes, this book is a completely go for college students who just entered into teenage to some new adult age, and like they are some sort of in romanticism thing. So yeah, they can pick this book. But I would like to say just one thing, that please don't take anything serious from this content. Okay, it's just for entertainment purpose. Fine. Then next, I would like to recommend this book to travel person who like to travel, and people who used to spend time in cafe coffee with books. So I think those kind of people also go for this book, like people who want to have some light read. They don't want to read something too heavy while reading, while traveling, and they have some other sort of work. They just want that they want to spend some time with light sort of entertainment, and excluding themselves from digital world for some couple of time. So for those kind of people, this book is really good for them. And obviously first time readers who just want to try from somewhere, like which kind of book they want to start with, so they can pick up this book, so that they start developing the reading habit. Now according to my critic, if you want to know like how many ratings I have given to this book, so just go to my description. If you want to know about my written review, if you want to go through my written reviews and just know more about my bookish journey, so go to my social media handle. So that's enough for today. I hope you got a really good idea about this book, and you will would like to pick this book. And the moment you will pick this book, just let me know in the comment section or in any social media handle. I will come up with a new book review video and bookish content soon. Till then, keep reading and start imagining.